Hello friend, welcome you all to my channel. How to know? In this video, I'm going to tell about the listing vote activity on the Gate.io of the token Creditcoin. Its symbol is CTC, and you can participate in by signing up on the Gate.io. Sign up link is also given in the description section. Before I proceeding for the more, please subscribe my channel if you are new. So let's see what the token is saying on this website and what is the process to going list on the Gate.io. As you know that the voting program is the part of the Gate.io which list token on Gate.io after the completion of successful vote of 10 million or more. You can participate in voting with your GT coins. Just you have to add some GT coins, participate in this. If the token is completing the 10 million votes, it will be success and you will get rewarded from the Gate.io. And in case if it is not being listed on the Gate.io, it means 10 million votes are not completing, then your all GT will be refunded automatically and no charges will be deducted from your GT account. So how to join the listing vote? First of all, you need to be a member of the Gate.io. You need to complete KYC and you need to add GT to get to win free airdrops. Let's see voting period time. Voting period time will be from the 27th of January from 400 UTC to 28th of January to 200 AM UTC. Estimate listing date is given also here, which will be 28th of January, but it can be vary in case of listing. So voting token can be used for the vote, which will be GT, and voting link is also given here. I will mention in the description section. From there, you can easily participate in the listing. So after the listing, trading coin will be CTC slash USDT. It is listing on the USDT. Reward pool will be 12,119 CTC, which cost is 20,000 USDT. Listing requirement, as I told you that 10 million votes must be received on this token for the listing. Rule is same, just you have to hold average 14 days GT in this activity in GT account, in Gate account to participate, and reward will be distributed in each user after the successful voting completion. Meanwhile, celebration the listing board deposit and new user campaigning held also total amount of 5,490 GTC. It will cost around 8,000 USDT. It will be a special reward for the applicants. Period for this activity, celebration activity, which will start from 27th of January at 400 AM UTC to it will end 3rd of February 400 AM UTC. So deposit link and companion link also will be mentioned in the description section. From there you can easily submit your UID and form so that you can be rewarded. Activities are there, like 4 activities given here. First one is deposit. If you are depositing CTC, at least 240 credit coin you have to deposit in Gate.io. Then initial 600 depositor will get rewarded. And activity second is saying that new user airdrop. If you are new user and you are trading a valid trading of 5 CTC, minimum 5 CTC you are trading, then you will be able to get free airdrop. It will also serve the first come and first serve basis. And third activity is saying that invite your friend if they are joining Gate.io and completing a successful trade of 5 for CTC, then they will also get and you will also get the reward from the Gate.io. Invite friend and get new airdrop. Same as Twitter giveaway. If you are sharing all this thing on the Twitter and your Twitter handle is being selected for the reward, then you will get also 40 CTC and 30 lucky winner will get all this thing. Project introduction is like say, sound currency must be lendable. Creditcoin goal is to connect the blockchain asset with a straightforward protocol to create an inter-blockchain lending market, bringing the crypto eco closer to sound currency. Creditcoin will connect many blockchain to create a secure, transparent cryptocurrency lending market that allow fundraiser and lender to connect directly to each other. Project info is there. It is provided by the Creditcoin. The name of the coin is Creditcoin and symbol of the coin is CTC. Total supply is 60 billion and website is also given here. So let's come to the website. From there you can easily check it out about the Creditcoin. Here you can see in left side it is given its logo Creditcoin and a headline is also mentioned, a borderless credit investment network. It is a investment network. I hope this will be grow time to time. So if you want to read more, then you can see it on the white paper also is given. As my network is close, so let's first of all. Okay, and you can also check the build of this thing. Multiple things are given here, and all the things which are already joined, and comments also given here. Building the future of the DeFi lending. Much more detail are given here from this detail easily identify and check it out about your token. Please read in detail and if you are having any confusion then you can comment on the comment section. So I think this information is very useful to you all. So please subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. And if you are new on the gate.io, sign up link is also given over here where you can earn 40% of the referral. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.